And we're back at it again, folks, with this outdoor landscape transformation. Just wanted to give you an idea of what we got going on here. We're blowing in our mulch. A lot of times when we do a lot of big jobs like what we've been doing lately, we like to bring in the mulch blower. These are our good friends over at Preferred Mulch, Matt Tibbetts and his son, and they do an excellent job at making sure that we're able to satisfy the customer's needs. Not only providing them with a beautiful mulch installation, but also being able to provide us with the comfort of knowing that we're going to give the customer the best quality possible. And so that's what we're doing here. We're putting out this beautiful natural mulch in order to tie in with this landscape and give this customer exactly what they were looking for. This is what we do each and every time, folks, and it definitely says that we always try to make our customers happy, so happy that in turn they want to tell their friends and family about our services. And that's exactly what's happening in this landscape. As you look over here, this is where we were at just a couple of months ago. As you can see, we completely transformed this landscape and gave the customer more quality, more quantity of service than that of what's expected. They were so happy that in turn they went and told their friends, family members, and even their neighbor about our service. And so we've been able to come back out and provide this beautiful, beautiful dry creek bed that's been complemented with this decorative stone, and we've also got some nice shrubbery in here. Great customer. She likes to do a lot of landscaping herself, so she put in these beautiful border pieces that were already here. We just wanted to complement her design, and it definitely says, folks, that if you're in a position and you're looking to take on some landscaping opportunities, you don't have to look far. We'll be able to come out, give you a free consultation, help you better understand your landscape. But right now what we're doing is just truly enhancing this landscape as we blow in this mulch. That's going to act as a great deterrent for any erosion that may come on that hillside. And I just wanted to say it definitely is a great opportunity for us when we are able to come out and give our customers more quality and quantity of service than that of what's expected. That's exactly what we got going on here with this outdoor landscape transformation. That's what we do each and every time. That's why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, folks, is because we're focused on making sure that our customers receive the best quality possible anytime they give us a call. And not only are we blowing in this mulch today, we're finishing this project up as it's taken us just a couple of days to completely transform this landscape, give it the outdoor landscape transformation that was necessary. And as you'll see with this detailed landscape design, we put in a beautiful boulder wall. We've added a lot of landscape definition to this, and we've really just been able to show our customer that we were here for them. We were dedicated to giving them the outdoor landscape transformation that they deserve. We put in these beautiful crab orchard steps, just going to get you from point A to point B on this landscape. Really provided with the opportunity to truly be enhanced as an outdoor landscape experience. And that's what we always try to do anytime you give us a call. So I just wanted to get on here really quick, kind of show our friends, family members, and all of our potential clients how detailed we are when it comes to your outdoor landscape transformation. It's truly something that we've become accustomed to when it involves any type of landscaping. We want to make sure that you feel comfortable working with us, and so we work with you on your budget. We work with you according to what it is that you would have had need for, and we assess that appropriately so that we can help you deal with it. And I tell you, once we blow the mulch in on this side, it's really going to enhance this entire outdoor landscape, and it's just as much as it is done already. Got about 20 yards of mulch we're going to be putting out today, and it's really a great way to ensure that the customer has that quality that we're looking for. And that's what we're doing here today, is making sure that we're able to provide that quality. We're blowing this mulch in, and as we get through with this project, you'll be able to see how a lot of what we do has always been dedicated on giving the customer more quality and more quantity of service than that of what's expected. And I tell you, folks, it's just unbelievable service when you begin to work with a company that you can trust. We're going to come in and give you total satisfaction, and we're going to make sure that we do it in a way that even if we don't necessarily want to do it ourselves because we feel that there's a more effective way to go about it, we're going to make sure that we provide you with the best consultation. And that's what we're doing here today. Definitely giving this customer the best quality possible by not only providing them with this beautiful outdoor landscape transformation, but we've also allowed our good friends over at Preferred Mulch to come in, and they're right here in the local area, Dallas, Georgia, and they do all of Atlanta metro area. So if you need some mulch blown in, I'm going to put their company on the bottom of this, and it just says, folks, that we're working with you each and every day in order to exceed your expectations, and that's what we do consistently, time and time again. And so we really do appreciate you guys for tuning in. Definitely wanted you to see where we've been able to get to on this landscape, and more importantly, where we've been able to exceed expectations with this outdoor landscape transformation.